I love camping, but I do not like nature. Ah! 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 Yeah, I have never been more worried about whether or not if my car is gonna make it somewhere, but I'm worried. Also, I'm bored. About to drive 13 miles at 3 miles an hour. I'm going to die out here. Those rocks, dude. Really nice. Oh, yeah. Oh my God, dude. Did you hear that? I definitely heard a sound. Not a good car sound. 2 minutes away. We're 2 minutes away. All right. Back on the road. Okay, back on the road. Oh, that's pretty nice. That's a pretty sick view. All right, boy. Okay, we made it. Oh, this dust. All right, we made it to the campsite. Very cheap. Remarkable. Occupy campsite, no number, and return within 50 minutes. Fill out an envelope. Oh, okay. Enclosed fee. Detached stub. Deposit envelope. Ah! Okay, there was a lot of moths living behind that sign. Jesus. Okay. If no post, display on dashboard. Attached stub located on campsite. Okay, I can do all of that, and I do have $10. So, while I do love breaking laws, and I'm kidding, I'm just kidding, but I'm definitely not gonna film myself commit any. So, see that? There you go. And there, campsite number. All right, are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? I mean, getting here was really dramatic, but look at this place. It's ridiculous. It's got a flowing creek right next to the campsite. It's $10. Two picnic tables, a fire pit, and then I don't know. Is that wood? Is that wood made available for use for me? The only thing that this place is really missing is like an awning, like some kind of awning. I think I'm gonna set up my campground right over there though. There's some natural shade over there. I'm thinking we really need to start a fire for all these bugs though. And if I burn down this forest, I'm just not gonna upload this video. Apple, it's better in the shade, isn't it? Wow. That is some cool and clear water. I can't let you guys feel it, but it's so cool and crisp. All right. Okay, let's do some of the required camping chores now. I haven't used my little fire bag in a while. I guess I'll use that. I don't really have a lot in the way of tinder, so I think I'm gonna use Funyuns today. I don't know if Funyuns light, but all of the other snack foods I've tried were flammable, so let's try it out. Let's also put that right there. That's the key. mama. I just broke my fishing rod. So I guess we're doing something else for food. Ooh. Okay. Quite a big fire for just one man, to be honest. That might be a little bit too much for myself. I love you, Apple. Do not eat that bee, okay? Look, my little friend is watching me cook. Pretty relaxing. I am shocked that I'm so close to a creek for $10. But it's very nice. It's very worth it. Yeah, never mind. I burned those to all hell. Whoops. God damn it. I kind of like those sausages. Little rude, to be honest. Good boy. Undercarriage time. Stop squirming. Dude, I'm stronger than you. You know fighting is futile, right?
Those who determined they could trust. What happened, she wrote, after switching to a new sheet of paper. He died in his sleep, and there's no reason to suspect he was killed. But Shallan...
No. Okay, at least I have gas. I'm thinking that if this video ends right here, that means I made it down the mountain safe and sound. And if I didn't, I guess I'll have a very different type of video for you guys. Ooh. That AC hits. Let's go! Alright, this is great. I can give you kind of a reference of where I need to go. I really don't know if you can see that, but do you see that straight road right there? That road right there is when the gravel ends. Ah, gross. There we go. We're alive. Goodbye.